Hey YouTube. So from my Facebook side of things, I do a lot of cooking. Usually if I cook, it's something that's improvised. I kind of make it up as I go. But about 6 months ago, I got into smoking meat on like a charcoal grill. And let's see here if you can see it. I use just a baby little charcoal grill from Big Lots. And recently my parents got a BBQ Grillware upright gas smoker off of Facebook Marketplace for me. Excuse my hairdo there. But based off of it, Hey guys, so due to technical difficulty there, what we're doing tonight is we're going to use the new smoker and we're going to smoke a whole chicken. So what you see here is the chicken after I've pulled all of the insides out and cleaned it, rinsed it, trimmed off a lot of excess. It's a salt, pepper, a little bit of white sugar, and some garlic powder. But we're going to get it prepped up, put in the smoker, and the next video clip here will be after it's been inside quite a little while, so stay tuned. Hey guys, sorry about that. So I got a phone call and it kind of cut in the middle of my other video, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut to the other side here. All right, so this has been about a 3-hour process. I've struggled to maintain the temperature. First I had it too low, then the burner went out. There wasn't enough wood chips in there, but I finally found the sweet spot, and it's between 250 and 275. So right here at 3 hours on 275, 250-ish, with that loss of burner for about an hour, we're going to temp the meat. It's a whole little chicken. So based off of the last temp about 30 minutes ago, it was 138. Just gonna get this open with the camera. Alright, so you guys see that? 152. Alright, so we're going to shut it back up for probably another 30 minutes and see kind of what temperature reads then. We're looking for 165. Alright guys, we've been cooking at a constant like 275 for about the last 45 minutes. So I'm going to temp it again. Can't see it all. It's at 161, so we're gonna give it like another 10 minutes, see if we can get it to 170, just be safe, and then we'll pull it and let it rest for about 10 or 15 minutes. All right, let's set it back up. Alright guys, I'm not going to film this, but it's time to pull the chicken out, so I'll go ahead and bring it inside and I'll give you a couple pictures of what it looks like after it's been cooking. And the temp right now is 171, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching the video, guys. That about wraps it up. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you'd like to see more videos similar to this, give me a suggestion, write a comment, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell for notifications on future videos. I appreciate all the support, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.